what I got for.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Couture Shanz, and we're back at it with another vlog, your fave. So it's the weekend, of course, because I only vlog on the weekends. I'm gonna feel like my glasses, my job. It's my job. Anyways, how cute are these glasses, guys? How cute are they? Can barely see, so I'm trying to wear them more often. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing this weekend? Like, comment down below what your weekend is looking like. So for me, the weekend entails errands basically. Today I have one stop to make, dropping off this maternity dress, you can see around there, and these cute t-shirts that says promoted to mommy and daddy. How cute are they? You can check us out on Instagram at Twisted Tees for customized t-shirts. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And then I am going to a friend's birthday chill in Portmore, I think. Yeah, that's where we're going. So journey with us today and just come along for the fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as usual, and just, you know, rock with us for the weekend. Yeah, because I have to go home and get dolled up. So I'll be cuter in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi! Told you I'd be cute when I came back. So we're just here waiting on the other guys to get ready, and then we're going to hit the party venue. We need to make a quick stop. Zizi, no! Zizi's trying to climb up on the bicycle, guys. I think this one is too big for you, baby. Let's go and get your bike. So yeah, we're gonna make a quick stop to get some liquor probably, and then we're going to head to the party venue, so I'll see you there. They have the money, hey, 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 hey. No drama. So yes, we rented out a yacht for our pre-birthday party. You know, I have to shake my ass on the yacht in Dubai, so let's hope this boat is going to Dubai later on. What say you, Fergie? Is the boat going to Dubai? Dubai. I must Dubai, because I can't Dubai. I'm serious still, so I can go on. Follow me, follow me. Honest to God, my Samsung used to go green. I swear to God, the Samsung used to go green. On purple? Forget on purple. Let's see. Mash it on my shirt. What's to your tail? Which line? Oh, to your green? Which line did that one? Up in there. Up in there? Boat.
You go for the dance.
We are talking about.
A two son you have now with him.
So what that mean?
Your poo must get there. Listen to me. Well, I come back to the first time, I said that. So, thank you, Lord.
That's why she get away. What I want to do.
You gotta give them natural.
I don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, you blow them at the beginning. Really?
I don't know in my pocket.
How old are you?
Oh, what the fuck you don't pay for it, yeah?
No, sir.
Alright.
Me can't manage.
What if you can't manage when I'm younger?
Are you young or fresh and green on me?
Nah, no man. Before earlier reach, yeah. You know what if I think it's going to be before?
Do you want more light? Yeah?
I can't say. Super, you want so much life, man.
Probably a third or so.
I never expect that.
They never look. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. And here we have Chef Patrice in the kitchen. Here I go with things. What will we be making today?
Jamaican festival.
Okay. Okay, so first we fill the pot up like halfway, is that so?
That is okay.
That's okay.
Well, but no, because I only buy flour. What you
Cook flour.
flour for days?
Yeah, managing her. I guess that's good
Gotta
enough.
take all of the time, so you don't want it to.
Bami. Are you soaking bami in milk or what? Milk?
A fry them?
Yeah. You know what to fry? Hi, y'all.
It's gonna raise. It's dumpling. It's gonna raise.
Okay, miss. Any one of them, mama. Ah, chef. We got soup over here.
Exactly.
Oh, true there.
Right there, now the dance pool. Where's she there?
I'm over, y'all.
Hey, wifey. Let's see the ring. Let's see the ring. Yes. Where's the ring, miss? Where's the ring? Hello. Nobody with it. Nobody with it.
I don't remember nothing. Goodbye. Where is it? I don't have nothing better for them. Guys, them have been in the kitchen and cook all evening. I've been making soup. Festival. Oh my god, let me show you my festival. Like, come on, look at them. Oh my god, let me show. Look at them. Be careful. No, so them are moving. May I put them on the least crispy side? See, them can't come out. See, them can't come out. What do you mean? Yeah, come move. No man, them good like that. Take them out. Good night. Let me go outside and see what's going on.
Every night you pretty so we big up every status. Wait for them out and clean and falling. Give me see a big girl them them beside it. Money got the do that we hide it. Stand up at the dance, stand up and she ride it. Select a play, going down, going on. We run fire and we run yard.
Come on, take out the festival. Them are bun up. We need more. We not do no more.
We
I'm tired, you know. I'm so tired. We're up on cooking food, man. I'm not normally like this. Okay? I'm not normally like this. Legacy. Anna Malika.
You can drink tonight because you're not there.
What they do? Oh, they dress.
And the boy, them not there. I might consider it. I might consider it.
My study is just a boy.
Yacht programming. Hey, 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 hey. On the rest in that kitchen over there, right? I'm heading up for the waste man. Hey. I did. And they call themselves chefs. Oh my god. Woo, I cook food one day. What do you say? Your chest too high. Your chest a little bit too high. We can cook or good.
You can see our next trip is Hollywood. Up in the hill.
Hello. Listen, my asthmatic. When they go there place, they cool. And
But I'm vaccinated. You go there for everything.
no, the altitude, literally. Yeah. Yeah, people go up there and jump. We come and stay together, but I'm in.
No, but you can't stay down there.
Okay, guys, catch us at Hollywood in my next vlog. YOLO. You see me? YOLO. I don't have a problem. But I'm always here.
I went up there at Shanz. You can walk up this thing, but it's a long walk.
There's a cafe, I think.
Church.
Oh. But I know just planning. So I go to camp and sleep up there?
Yeah. And cook, but we have to cook.
It is a vlog. Can't manage. Come, guys. Whoa,
You have to start. Give me a little juice. You have to start go blind before you can platinum. So start right now. Because you can just go platinum one go. But with the honey blind now. Yeah, but you can't go platinum in one day. If take time like this, that's not no, I see people go.
Hey, where is it?
You don't say that in there. I'm here to wind up the style. To cooking. Women can't forget right there.
That boy I know too.
Don't test my skills. I want and if you use me.
Says who?
You know the rule there? No. One and if you make that the rule, they go. You wanna go make it too easy. Oh, but we're not on the ice fruit. Yeah, they're not igloo. What's happened to the music?
Your turn, please.
Roger. Roger.
Happy birthday.
Alright, come. Alright, we're ready now. We're ready.
After three.
One link the damn thing.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you guys. Happy birthday to you.
But what is the feeling tonight?
Happy birthday, dear Shanz and Akeem. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Don't blow the candle.
Let's blow it up.
No.
You got thumbs.
Blessings.
Alright, so the happy couple is gonna cut the cake.
We ain't blow in this
The next way.
Come on.
Georgia.
Don't put it back right.
Alright, yeah.
After 3.
One time for the birthday bitch. 2 times for the birthday bitch. 3 times for the birthday bitch. Fuck your birthday bitch. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the worst way. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the right way. Come on, 1 time for the birthday bitch. 2 times for the birthday bitch. 3 times for the birthday bitch. She came with the birthday cake. And the girl looking birthday cake. Take a shot at his birthday. Trying to get you back home with your birthday cake. What's trying to get birthday drunk? I'm talking about birthday song. Bend it over, get your birthday song. Let the dress come up. Your birthday drunk. 1 time for the birthday bitch. 2 times for the birthday bitch. 3 times for the birthday bitch. Fuck it up with 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 the birthday bitch. You bad bitch. It's birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the worst way. You bad bitch. It's birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the worst way. Come on, 1 time for the birthday bitch. 2 times for the birthday bitch.
Everything nice.
Wine on the body and I sit down on the bed. Boom boom so.
Hey, what is your rebel?
Good morning. So it's Sunday and we're headed to the beach. Well, we'll go to the beach, but not for the beach, if you get me. We're going on a little breakfast date with some friends. So yeah, that's the pre for today. As you can hear, my voice is almost gone because of last night's shenanigans. Trust me, it was lit. Alright? It was lit. Okay? It was lit. You should have been there. It was lit. Okay? We're on a yacht. What? you don't want to come on a yacht, JC. It was ratchet. You never wanted it. It was ratchet. Okay? So, as you guys saw from previous clips, we're on our yacht. Yes, I'm on you right now. Okay, I'm on you right now. So yeah, we had a blast last night and I can't. Guys, get you a man that's okay with being excluded. Yes, I mean, well, you wanna be all up on me all the time like that. It don't work like that. When you see me all up on you all the time.
I can know that.
Yeah, King, take care of yourself, isn't it? Focus on on yourself, sorry. Focus on yourself, King. Focus on yourself. Big facts. So yeah, now we're headed to the beach to just chill out and eat some food. What? Long time I'm gonna eat some fried fish. Ew. So yeah, that's the pre for the day. So journey along with us. Just why you stay like that? But I always have my money. I always have my dirty money, but get vex money, every kind of money, you see me? So to them I have my fried fish money because some people want to come hype up themselves.
Show me that fried fish money.
Show you my friend. I don't have to prove it to you.
Give me
I don't have to prove it.
Give me the first.
You don't need no purse. But as I was saying, guys, pay no attention to this.
YouTube.
Youth. You want to come expose me again? I can expose me the last time. Yeah. Who do what? Isn't it? Hey. What is that good? I'm so expose you. I'm going to put the banana clip there. I'm going to zoom it up when you bite the banana. Isn't it? Lame. Boo. Lame. Can't. As I said, guys, journey with us to the beach. We're going over to Hellshop. Not fancy, not fancy. Just around the road. And I'll catch you when we're there. What did he just do, Jason? Why? Son about the video over the shirt here on the vlog 10 times. I hear a shirt. I hear 10 grand by it and a 10 grand and the money that's for them jersey. Or more, exactly. Oh, up there. I'm sorry. Take two. Yeah, but update. What the hell? What them need an update? They would have more likely need an upgrade, isn't it? I take an upgrade more than an update.
Yeah, but the one that you know,
Hey. Why?
this is Beyonce up there, Jay-Z. I think she up there now,
Susie? You don't know that. Thanks. So we're at the beach. The water is so pretty. Just look at it. So pretty. Yeah, we're just chilling for now.
The panoramic scale. The bed is right this way, so you can walk in it. When we want to leave the panel room, one roach and step on everything. Because the room that we got was $700. Hey!
So we're at Aunt May's over at Couture. I've been here before, so the food is definitely good. So we'll see.
AC is not working. Yeah. I've been telling
Yeah, man, there.
No, everything I already know.
But that was fast. Usually I have to wait a good while before it. Oh, are we late?
Jamaica is like
Sorry, need help. What are you doing? What are you saying?
Guys, I get it in a portrait mood now. Alright, guys, this is snapper.
You have to use your
Come use your hand, come take it up. You lift it and you take it.
Now let's hold it here.
Yeah. So that's one snapper. Oh, the other one.
Anybody need plate?
I think.
No, we have to for them.
Your snapper.
Guys, I don't know, I just a pull fish.
Come here, Roman. That's not gonna get trouble. I'm gonna get trouble after I do it.
Before them are done.
Listen,
I just 1 year. Yesterday we rewired the stove.
this fish is so
But I
juicy.
knew when I dedicated line. I'm gonna have to rebuild my steps I'm back. Yeah, come on.
How many man?
So it was a good morning. Was this or not? What? So it was a wonderful morning, and now we're actually heading back home to just chill out for the Sunday. Yes. Please subscribe. No, we can't tell you. Please subscribe to my channel at Couture Shanz. Yeah, basically I'm new. I have like 20 videos. So it's Couture Shanz. And subscribe. Thank you. I do like fashion, lifestyle, sewing videos. Not him. I edit my stuff myself. I literally edit on my phone. Yeah, so it's not that complex. But if I need help, he does it because he used to do them videos back in the day, you know, right? Editors. So yeah, guys, we're heading home. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see him, Liam? You see him? Oh, we ain't doing no couples channel. Yeah, why don't you do a couples channel? Yeah, where's your couples channel?
No man, the one afraid I can't.
He's not shy. Look at him. Does he look shy to you? We're taking pics over there. Aww. So nice. I hope the lighting is good though. Where? So yeah guys, I'm gonna head out now. Oh crap. We may need to go to the supermarket but just in case we don't, I'll end the video here. As I said, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to come back. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And before you go, just hit that subscribe button please and help your girl get to 1K subscribers. Yes, I am still on the 1K journey, and I'd love for you guys to just come on and join the fam. So thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video.